Huh? Where's that water noise? Where's the crystal? Go this way. Why is there so much water? Oh my god. Why is there so much water? That was so good, That was so good. So good. Okay, this is not so bad. Choke. Choke. Is he coming this way? No. I'm gonna try to sneak up behind him and grab him. Oh. He's friendly Shulk. I'm gonna name you Jack. I'm gonna name you Jack. Come on, Jack. Okay, bye, Jack. Jack. Let's go up to the thing up here. There's a whole weird noises coming from mountains. Is that? I don't know, this stuff is in here. And I already have that actually, so I did know. Okay, back to the video. I heard some weird stuff coming from mountains. That's probably why it was a big joke. Oh, cool though. Ooh. It's right down. Oh. Oh, this must be someone's tent that they abandoned. What's that going on? No, what I don't know. See a weird sound I was hearing. It might have been that song. No, dun 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 dun. It might have been his fish. Ooh. Let me get a secret tunnel. Secret tunnel! Mom, can you see me, Mom? Mom, can you see me? No. Oh, my mom can see me. Mom. Huh? Mom? The shark! The shark ate me. Oh, nice pool. So, yeah, guys, it's gonna be the end of the video after I get up here. Okay. Goodbye, guys. See you in the next video. See ya.